Superintendent Head of the Schools Division of Phase 1 Pangasinan, Region 1, the fiery and fearless, relatable and realistic, brave and bold herself, Madam Fatima Reyes Buaga.
Because Director Art Bayogod is a classmate of mine in the Superintendent's Leadership Program. So we, with my team in the division office, crafted a talk especially designed for your group. May I know, this was hindi ko siya nakikita, ano si Art, hindi rin makita. Focused in the workplace and DepEd context. You will probably see a lot of lectures on focus in the workplace, but we crafted this talk, focus in the workplace, in your context as a school principal. I believe that once in a while, we forget to have our focus in the workplace. And it's difficult to have a focus because just like the talk of Art kanina, Director Art, we are on the VUCA world. And therefore, it's difficult to have a sense of focus in the workplace. You know, I have a fun experience coming here this morning, or even last night. Last night when I arrived at the hotel, I saw Art. It was around past 11 na siya. Nandun pa siya, managing, siguro tama yung sabi niya, he's managing, and he said, I will see you tomorrow at PESFA. Sabi niya, okay, let's just rest. And then this morning, I was instructed to get a taxi, and I told the taxi I would go to the Lipkenkai Trio, and he directed me to a place. Pagdating ko doon, sabi nung driver, diretsuhin mo lang yan, ma'am, yun na yun, yung Atreo. Pero doon sa door, sabi nung nandun sa door, ma'am, hindi po iikot ka pa. So umikot ako ngayon. Pagdating ko doon sa second door, sabi niya, ma'am, hindi iikot ka pa. Nung dumating ako doon sa door, again, di naka-entrance na ako, ma'am, aakyat ka po sa second floor. Umakyat ako sa second floor. Nung nandun ako sa second floor, sabi naman nung nandoon, ma'am, hindi bababa doon sa first floor. Hanggang nakarating ako dito. So, sabi ko, ganito ang buhay natin sa DepEd. Nung na-analyze ko, tama naman yung driver. Pag pumasok ako sa door na yun at diniretso ko, ang tumbok ko dito talaga sa Atreo. Pero pinaikot-ikot lang ako, pero dito pa rin ang tumbok. Pinahirapan ko lang, napahirapan lang ako. And I was actually, sabi ng anak ko lagi, Mama, relax, breathe, do not overthink, breathe. So as I was going down the stairs, I was looking at the experience. I'm having the metaphor of this experience to your experience as a school principal. Alam niyo kung anong gusto niyo, pero pinaikot-ikot lang kayo, kaya minsan hindi niyo na alam kung ano ang gagawin. Kaya sasabihin ko sa inyo, breathe, relax, do not overthink. Let's have a focus in the workplace. Second slide, please. Lahat na yan, please. Okay? Ability to concentrate on specific tasks, to maintain the attention, next, until the task is complete, so that you will have an efficient and accurate manner. That is focus. While I was working on the PowerPoint presentation or on the talk, I also crafted the acronym FOCUS. From the word focus, you will have a strategy to gain focus by the following steps. F. Kindly. Okay, please. F. The very first F is always focused on the mandate. And what is the mandate of DepEd? Okay? When DepEd was created, it was the Superior Commission for Primary Instruction in 1863. So look, the mandate is primary instruction. In 2000, the mandate now is provides the establishment and maintenance of a complete, adequate, integrated system of basic education relevant to the goals of national development. And napakaganda po yung salitang matatag. Diba? Makabansa, makabata. Bata, makabansa. In a way, that is our mandate. As the education sector, we are an agency for the learners, so that at the end of the day, the learners will become contributory to the national development. Ganyan lang dapat kasimple ang pag-iisip natin dito sa DepEd. Okay? Kindly, next. Okay. Look, the focus, just to see, yung matatag agenda, very clear. We are a learner-centered public institution that completely improves for the better serve its stakeholder. Why so? Again, so that we can develop the full potential of the learners and contribute meaningfully to this nation. Why the mandate is very important? Because in your everyday leadership activity, sometimes you make decisions that are out of focus. For example, here comes an educational state.
Welcome to Jewels of Gina. Ayan, mga education topics.
Na mas nakaka-higher grade, isabay mo na lang kasi ang pasok ng bata ay alas 2. Yung kuya papasok ng alas 12. Sabi niya, ma'am, sinabi ko po, nakiusap po ako. Sabi niya, yun ang sabi niya sa akin, nakiusap siya sa teacher na baka pwedeng i-sit-in muna yung kapatid. Pagpasok, pwedeng isabay yung kapatid sa classroom. Kasi alas 12 papasok ang kuya, alas 2 ang pasok ng bata. Hindi po pumayag yung teacher. Sasabihin ko na talaga, hindi siya pumayag, pero hindi ko na lang po babanggitin. Sabi ko, sige, ang klase ko ay 10 to 2. Hindi ko na siya tutuusin, hindi ko siya dapat ng obligasyon. Sabi ko, sige, papasukin mo siya sa akin ng alas 12. Sinasabi siya ng kuya niya pagpasok ng alas 12. Didiretso siya sa classroom ko, nandun siya sa akin hanggang alas 2. Bababa siya sa baba sa grade 2 pagdating ng alas 2. Yung mga simpleng bagay na kaya naman natin gawin, bakit hindi natin ibigay dun sa mga bata?